We're at Washington Island here, getting ready to load up the bird onto the ferry. Go over there and check out one of the 5 only beaches in the world with round stones. Perfectly round, I guess. Any commentation on that?
It'll be something to see. I just can't wait.
I stand corrected. Perfectly smooth stones.
The guy we were talking to, he graduated in the class of the 8s. There was only one good-looking girl. Out of woods. You can tell we went through the main drag and there was like 5 bars and a grocery store, and that's it. Now we're almost So we got farmland, a bunch of woods.
Which way to the
Jackson Harbor, Schoolhouse Beach.
2 miles that
2 miles that way.
0.2 miles that way.
Yeah. That's the old school. Look at that thing. You can't take the rocks. They don't want you taking it.
Where do I park? Can I park down there?
No glass, beverages, containers, swimming in your own risk. Underwater objects may not be visible to navigable stones. $250 fine for taking a rock.
Schoolhouse Beach, one of 5 beaches in the world with perfectly smooth stones. The natural wonder offers swimming, diving, raft, picnic, table, grills, amidst a beautiful setting of bold growth cedar. And there's a public toilet. What's wrong with evergreens?
They're killing the grass underneath.
Looks something like that.
Wow, woodpeckers got in that.
Oh, so here it is. Perfectly smooth stones. What's going on here?
I was just wondering why there's no algae on the rocks. Like Pewaukee Lake, you have scum grows up. You know, that's how boats can't get up the boat launch. Algae grows on it, they patch out. The rocks are perfectly clean.
Alright, we're at Mountain Park here. What's happening?
I'm going to climb the tower and see above the tree line.
आप eyes close करो 5 times.
You go high?
Okay, 5 times.
It's beautiful! You say our legs were hurting by the time we got up that set of steps.
Okay, thank you.
Stay close to the wall so I can dent the door up. Are you going to go in the observation deck?
This guy's up on this other guy's truck here with his belt buckle.
Towels are going all over the place. Now he's going to open the door and bang into the other guy's truck. There it goes.